you just got a negative review and you're booking too many patients and we have to wait 2 hours. What do you have to say to that?
All right, well, they're also getting you now involved in this, so I love it. So the question you're asking is, we just got a negative review because the patient feels that we're booking too many patients all at once and they're having to wait 2 hours. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So one, we're not booking too many patients. There's a certain number of patients we have to see per day to continue to stay in business. And we have about 30% no-show. So, let's take some responsibility. All of us take some responsibility, because if the patient started actually showing up to their appointment, we wouldn't have to worry about that. All right. Let's say we started having 0% no-show and we had certain number. Again, to that point, we have to book certain number of patients because to stay in business. Otherwise, we would go out of business, just like this other companies like Walmart that tried doing primary care, went out of business. A lot of other giants I won't name that are going out of business. Google it, please. But also just recognize, and these are all public records and public knowledge, so Google all of this to verify and do a fact check. Doctors used to get paid certain value 20 years ago. Every year your insurance is knocking that down and we're getting paid less and less. Okay, so think about it. 20 years ago doctors used to get paid certain value and now we're getting paid less. Now what are you experiencing? Inflation. The cost of running your household has gone up compared to 20 years ago. All of us would agree. Same thing that we're noticing on our end is that cost of doing business has gone up. Payroll has gone up. Salaries has gone up. Taxes have gone up. Rent have gone up, which means the cost of doing business have gone up. Amount we get paid is gone lower and lower. So how can you help with it? Be the advocate for your doctors. Call your insurance companies and tell them that, hey, listen, I'm paying you this 18 times more in insurance premiums compared to we used to about 20 years ago, but yet you're paying our doctors less money. That's not fair. Go and be the advocate for your doctors and ask them to pay us more, which would help us bring that number of patients that we need to see down. None of our providers want to see more and more and more patients, but if we don't, and guess what happens? We'll go out of business. We go out of business, you don't have a primary care. That doesn't solve a problem. So I hope this helps. The battle is never between you and I or you and your doctor. It's always regarding not getting paid enough by your insurance company. I hope this helps.